Hello, in front of me I've got The Elder Scrolls Oblivion Remastered. In this video I'll show you how to create fighting spells. In the beginning, find Altar of Spell Making. Now, you can create fighting spells only for spells you already know. So the more spells you've got, the more spells you can create. Select the spell and firstly select range. You can select it on touch, on target or on self. The best is for target. Now select magnitude, area, and duration. Take a look right here. The higher sliders are set, the more mana uses the spell. So make sure that your mana is higher than mana required to use the spell. You can increase the mana by leveling up or by enchanting your gear. Confirm and create. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, subscribe.